People who live in Pasco County may have to experience more pain at the gas pump. That's because commissioners are considering a nickel a gallon tax increase. Our Bill Logan is live in Wesley Chapel, where some say they will fight this proposed hike. Bill?
And those people that say they're going to fight are actually government leaders. They're going to be, in a way, fighting against the other government leaders as local municipal leaders and people who are city leaders here in Pasco County says that this entire tax grab is just not equitable. Let's face it, there is no easy way to get around in Pasco. With cities and towns spread over 3 area codes, the roadways of this county are its lifeblood.
And now you got to take care of it,
As the CEO of the county's Economic Development Council, John Hagan is on the road a lot, and he's seen the upkeep of pavement in Pasco take a downturn. Plus,
we know that we have roughly 500,000 people here. We're going to 750,000. We're going to need to build more roads.
5 cents a gallon is 5 cents a gallon. It's going to be, when it's $3.50 a gallon, what's 5 more cents? I mean, I don't like to pay more than I have to either myself, but
to keep the roads up, it's worth it.
Yep.
While some drivers see the need, most don't.
Because people that have a budget, it adds up to be a lot of money.
I don't like that at all. Because I fill up a lot twice a week, so that would not be fair.
So to add 5 more cents a gallon for us, it's a big commute for us.
You think people will be heading across the border over to Hillsborough or Hernando to get their gas?
I've heard people say that.
Tim Newland is the mayor of San Antonio, a city that stands to receive only about $12,000 out of the millions a proposed 5-cent tax increase would raise.
It's abundantly clear that they're not coming back. It's not coming back to San Antonio or the other municipalities for that matter.
Which is why Tim and his fellow Pasco municipal leaders have drafted this resolution asking their county counterparts to not make the cash grab.
Just because somebody might live in the city of San Antonio or Newport Richey, they're also a resident of the county, and they deserve representation as well.
And that letter or that resolution will be presented to county commissioners as they begin their meeting on this very important entire county-wide subject tonight at 6:30. That's going on at the Old Courthouse in Dade City. My colleague Alex Hobson is on the way to that meeting. She'll have complete coverage on ABC Action News at 11. Of course, we'll have an update on